Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a universal stylus pen to your Android device. First, let's understand the type of stylus you are using. There are two common types. One is a passive capacitive stylus, and the other is an active stylus. If you are using a passive capacitive stylus, there is no setup required at all. These pens do not need charging, pairing, or any kind of connection. All you have to do is remove the cap if there is one, and then gently touch the tip of the stylus to your Android screen. Your device will recognize it just like your finger. You can start writing, drawing, or navigating immediately. Now, if you are using an active stylus, there is one small extra step. Active styluses usually come with a built-in battery. To turn it on, press the power button on the pen. In most cases, you will see a small light turn on. This light means the stylus is active and ready to use. Once the stylus is on, simply bring it close to your screen and touch the surface. Your Android device should respond right away. There is usually no need to go into Bluetooth settings or pair the device unless your stylus model specifically requires it. You can now open any app, like a Notes app or Drawing app, and start writing or sketching smoothly. Thanks for watching.